So let's see what is it, sentence number 8 saying. There is a trick over here. Pay attention. Quando si vuole cambiare corsia, when you are wanting to change your driving lane, l'uso dell'indicatore di direzione, using your indicator, the yellow lights that blink, tick, 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 saying è facoltativo. Facoltativo means it is not mandatory. If you feel like doing it, it's okay. If you don't feel like doing it, you can ignore it. Se ci sono le strisce discontinue, if the lines that are dividing on the floor are discontinuous, they're not one continuous line, if they're broken lines, then you don't need to use indicator, or you can choose to use it or not to use it. Now take a picture, all of my students, take a picture of this. Facoltativo will always be falso, always falso. Anthony, take a picture, screenshot. If you read facoltativo, don't need to read any further, just say falso, regardless of trying to understand the rest of the sentence. Just say falso and move on. Okay? I hope you understood this. Se un infortunato della strada, a wounded person on the road, ha una ferita sanguinante, has a wound where sangue, blood is coming out. La si deve coprire, you must cover the wound, con materiale sterile, with a sterile material, clean of germs, o quanto più possibile pulito, or as clean as possible, per bloccare il sanguinamento, to stop the bleeding. And this is vero. Now, you want to know the trick? If you ever read the word materiale sterile in any quiz, don't bother reading anymore. Just write vero and move on. It will always be vero. Always be vero. Okay? If you read materiale sterile and pulito, always vero. Now you see this sign. For the people who, no, it's not a sign, it's a button on your car, on your dashboard, on your right in the middle, there'll be a triangle, red triangle. When you press that, when you're in danger. By pressing that, all the yellow indicators go on, tick, 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 tick. So it's a simbolo raffigurato. This symbol indicates, il comando means a button, che aziona, which starts segnali mobili di pericolo. The segnali mobili di pericolo, the danger sign. Why is it falso? Because of this. It is not mobile. You know what is mobile di pericolo? That the plastic triangle you have in the car, that you take it out of the car and keep it if your car is stopped in the middle of the road. It's mobile. It's not fixed. So that is a segnale mobile di pericolo. You don't press this button and that plastic sign flies out of the car and goes behind. That is not going to happen. So that's why, because of one word, this became falso. And believe me, it's a trap. And everybody falls in this trap. Very few people are sharp. And they realize because of mobile, it's falso. This next sentence saying, la calotta del casco. Casco means helmet. Calotta is the external part of the helmet. When you can know, when you touch, tac, tac, that is that part. Può essere riparata. You can repair it con nastro adesivo. You know what is nastro adesivo? This. Scotch tape. Okay. Di tipo speciale, of a special kind, mine is not special, se presenta una rottura, if you can see a breakage, a crack, inferiore a 3 centimetri, less than 3 centimeters. So you don't need to buy a new helmet, just repair it with the Scotch tape, and it's falso. And now you want to know that another trick? Take a picture. Nastro adesivo, you're lucky today. Lydia, take a picture. Nastro adesivo will always be falso. Okay, Godwin? Moses, have you taken a picture? I can't see your face, but I hope you're there in the class. I don't know if you're there. But anyway, I hope you've taken a picture.